Hello everyone, welcome back to our official YouTube channel Broadway A to E Academy. This is Akhil. तो जैसा कि आप जानते हैं स्पीकिंग की न्यू पीडीएफ जो सितंबर टू दिसंबर का फाइनल वर्जन है वो आउट हो चुकी है एंड उसमें टोटल 22 न्यू क्यू कार्ड्स हैं जिसमें से हम कुछ डिस्कस कर चुके हैं और कुछ डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। तो उनमें से आज एक क्यू कार्ड डिस्कस करेंगे जिसका टॉपिक है डिस्क्राइब अ पर्सन हु ऑलवेज हैज इंटरेस्टिंग आइडियाज और ओपिनियंस। इसमें जो बुलेट पॉइंट्स हमें कवर करने हैं वो होंगे हु दिस पर्सन इज, what this person does, how you knew this person, and explain why you think this person has great ideas and opinions. तो चलिए इसका सैंपल आंसर स्टार्ट करते हैं जिसको आप एज इट इज भी रेडी कर सकते हैं या फिर अपने आइडियाज को इसके साथ कंबाइन करके भी रेडी कर सकते हैं जिससे आपका एक क्यू कार्ड रेडी हो जाएगा। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। Today, being a creative person makes you the center of attraction and an important resource anywhere. People with interesting ideas and opinions are acknowledged and appreciated by their peers. I have many friends and one of them is a gem of a person and jack of all trades. Here I am going to talk about my friend Joe, who is a really very creative person and he thinks out of the box and comes up with great ideas every time. We studied together and work in the same profession. Joe is a professor and he is a pedagogical expert in many areas. As a teacher, he is always learning new things to teach his students in the best way possible. He adopts changes and learns all technology. He is also working closely with the government to improve the lives of the people. His ideas are always appreciated by the government and our university. His contribution in health and women empowerment has changed the lives in rural areas of my country. He also works with the government to reduce pollution in air and water. I have known him since childhood. We studied in the same school and college, so he is like a brother from another mother. We always participated together in various competitions and won many of them. His work in rural areas to save water, maintaining hygiene and reducing pollution from lakes and rivers are implemented by the government, and today he is an inspiration to many rural children. He comes from a remote area of our state and achieved remarkable success in the field of education. This made a huge impression on me. तो ये था हमारा आज का सैंपल आंसर इस क्यू कार्ड का। तो ऐसे ही आइल्स के बारे में और जानने के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब और फॉलो कीजिए और वीडियो को लाइक, कमेंट, शेयर करना मत भूलना। थैंक यू।